everyone, this is Cindy who created the heart, and I killed a kit. So, I don't know if I killed a kit. I killed a paper pad, another one. So, my goal is to get through as many paper pads as I can this summer, actually this year. I have no idea how many I've done. I'll have to go through my videos and see. I think this is the third one. This paper is called So Refreshing, and it came in my subscription box for, I think, I can't remember if it's April or May that did strawberries. Cannot remember, but this one was So Refreshing, and this was the paper I liked more than the berry paper. So it was Berry Blast, I think we got, and So Refreshing, I think. I could be wrong, but I think. And this is a paper I liked more, but so a lot of times I'm like one of those people where I eat my vegetables first. And so I use the paper that I like the least usually first. Not always, but usually, just because I want it gone. And then I work on the other one. But I didn't dislike the berry paper. I'm just saying I like this one more. So this is what I have left. Not a lot of pieces. I'm probably going to maybe go through it and see if I can't glue little bits of pieces on in the inside of cards. And then I'll probably just toss it. I have just learned just toss it and it's okay. The world will not end if I toss a tiny piece of scrap away. So that's what I have left. It's not a lot, and I'm going to go over what I made. I made a lot of projects using this paper. So I did a video on this, what do you call this? This bendy multi-card, right? And then I did a video making that bendy card where I took out some of the bulk. And so I did those two videos, and I really just love how they came out because I use those Crater Pops, which are just adorable. So that got done. And then, let's see. I did a gatefold card. And so I have a tutorial on the gatefold card on my channel. Did that. And then I did a couple shakers. I did this tag shaker, and I did this 6x6 shaker. And those are also on my channel. Actually, all the videos on these are on my channel. I have this card that I made, this paper and that paper. And then, let's see, I did this shaker. I did a lot of shakers. I love shakers. They're my new thing. I did this shaker. These are all on my channel as well. I did this shaker, which is a slimline using the wonky, those wonky windows. And then I did this slimline, which I love. So I used a mix of ephemera and all of that. So then I did show how to make a crisscross pocket card. Little bit old school, but I love that. And then I did a bunch of joy fold cards. Let's see here. Yeah, I did some joy fold cards. This is a basket full of love. So I did some joyful cards, and these are on my channel as well, showing you guys these more in depth, and how I put it together. And then, I don't know if you can hear that, but the fireworks from Disney are going off, and it's just absurd. Okay, so then I also did a sheetload of cards from February 2022, and this was the layout for that. So I did all of these cards. And these are also all on my channel, as well as how I put them together. And then this is a mini slimline shaker, and I love this one. It's so cute and mini. And I use some ephemera. And so that is what I made when I went through that paper pad. I think I made a lot of cute things. Thanks so much for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with the Heart.